Hi, Dylan. I tried to answer your question in regards to range and intervals. So apparently what I see when I look at WebAssign, I'm seeing this portion as your answer. So I have written here Dylan's answer, submitted. And this portion, correct answer, that you send it to me. I guess you are having a slight mistake here, which is actually very important, that you put the range one side of it in a not a correct order. So, and this is the portion that is important, because when we look at the picture here, okay, so the range of this function is starting, when we read the y-axis for the range, we need to start from bottom to top for y-axis, and when we're reading the x-axis, we start from left to right. And this is how we need to put interval notations. That's an important thing. That's why I wanted to record that video for you. So when you look at the range of this function, you're quite right, but we should be able to start from the bottom. So it is coming from -4, as you were saying, and it is going to -2. So it should be an increasing order. I think that was part of your question in your email, and the same thing applies for the x-axis. It should be in an increasing order. So that's why I guess WebAssign was not accepting your answer correctly, as this one is the correct answer, right? So you need to be coming from -4 and going to -2, because -4 comes before -2. And the other portion of the range is from 0 to 1. 0 is included, but 1 is not. Oops. Okay. So when we look at your answer here, you have 0 to 1 part, but that should come after. You have this part, but in this part, you're making a mistake when you're writing the interval. So your interval should be starting from -4 to -2. Hope it helps. Let me know if you have other questions. That's a good question. That sometimes most everybody get confused with that. Again, I hope it helps. Let me know, please, if you have additional questions or comments in regards to that. See you then. Bye.